this envelope is $300, or you can take what's behind the curtain. And he opened it up. Oh my goodness, there it is, a small box with an amp in it.
Hello and welcome to my little video about my little box with my little amp inside it. This is basically just a road case that I received as a hand-me-down from a friend of a friend, and I have converted it into an amp isolation chamber. I insulated the sides with cardboard that was just over 1/3 of an inch thick and added as much foam as I have on hand to the insides to deaden the sound. I selected a small drum kit microphone because it is cramped in there, and with a full-size mic it wouldn't be able to aim toward the speaker correctly. The set of mics I took it from was a Shure PG range of drum kit condenser mic. The amp that you can see in there is a custom brand amp that I received in a deal when I was buying one of my second-hand Squiers. It will be the amp that you hear shortly in the demonstration. This is nothing exciting, it is really just a box with an amp in it, but it allows me to record or practice my guitar at full volume and monitor it with headphones via the computer. When playing at loud volumes, I have found that I need to keep the lid latch locked tight, otherwise the lid jumps up and down making its own rumbling sound. In the upcoming demonstration, you will see, or hear, how well it keeps the noise in, and hear what the recording sounds like as well. The mic runs into my M-Audio 8-track USB interface, connected to an old Dell box running VST software. So a few weeks ago I bought a new amp. It is a Vox VT20X, which is a modelling amp that can emulate 12 or more different amp types and can be controlled via USB. This is the ideal amp for this kind of setup where you don't have direct access to the controls. The only reason to open the box is to change the master volume or turn it on and off. There are various reviews and demonstrations of this amp series out there, just search for this model to learn more about it. The cables I am running in the side are the guitar cable, the microphone, power, and USB for the amp. If I didn't have this box, I would have made one similar out of MDF and padded it up the same way. Here I am adding some extra padding to the roof of the lid that fell down not long after. I really need to get my hands on some extra foam and stick it to the inside with a more permanent solution. So with one of these bad boys, you can play really crap, really loud, and you are not going to bother anyone. Thank you for watching my little video about my little box with my little amp inside it. And until next time, have a bloody good one.